My name is Nicolas. I am 18 years old. I am Colombian. I live in Ibagué. My family members are my father and my grandmother. I like to train soccer and exercise. I don't like having boring days while doing and night. In travel a year out, went my family to the Cascadas de Payandé. There were carried out activities such as swimming in the river, having barbecue meat for lunch, enjoy the beautiful landscapes, arts and family. I like this trip since I enjoy Beijing with my family and enjoy time waiting. In the future, I would like to travel to Europe to come and see these essential countries and full of culture that is of my plans I have to the Eiffel to full in years old.